Yes, you know?
Yes,
Thing. Yeah, get what you want. Go on with your business, there, Mr. Bro.
So what's my idea?
We can hold that, you know.
No, I can't take a picture with it. Just want to verify that.
Work, man.
Yeah, doing the definite. Hey, Tony, you hear that? Mr. Brown are doing business, you know. We just there, drop off the package. Yeah, man, in my work. See. I want to big up Tony again. So Tony is one of our customers overseas. And she just buy the items them, pay for them online, and we ship it to Jamaica and come and deliver it to her father. Tony is a father, right? Is a daughter, right, Mr. Brown?
Yes.
Yes, it's his daughter. Big up all of the first daughter. Big up yourself.
First child.
The first child. Me I want last child. I wish one better, last or first. They say last one always spoiled. The last one is spoiled.
Last one is problem.
Don't give problem. Yeah, me give me.
that.
Yeah, me give you back problem. We spoiled. We like things our own.
Yes.
But one thing we know, we spoil Mr. Brown because Tony and I send the things them and we are delivering to him doorstep. Right? And we're kind of busy, but we make time to come pick it up. Yeah.
See you way, sir. See you way.
You're not sure, Mr. Bro. You want to receive
Yeah,
it?
you want to receive it.
Oh, no, but sometimes you don't have the next show.
Okay.
That's the from now.
But we could have come and next summer place. You can tell where that's coming. But I saw it go over there, I know what you have.
It doesn't know why you know.
That's true. That's true too. Alright, Mr. Brown. Enough respect.
Yes, sir.
Here,
Thank
we
you
link
very
up.
much.
Yeah.
Thank you.
And tell Tony about if you hire or something, you know.
Yes,
You know,
Tony, and I get the thing now.
You get the thing
The
them.
work can go on, you know?
Oh, this is for the shop.
No, this is for the bathroom.
The bathroom. Oh, is that like an extractor fan?
Yes.
Alright, nice.
Fit upstairs.
Uh-huh.
I'm going to make a duck feet now to send it out.
Okay, good. Nice.
Couple more things to come.
Alright, Tony, and we're there here.
One by one, you know?
One by one. Yeah, it can work. Alright. Bye-bye, Tony, and.
Alright. See
Alright.
data, take care.
Alright, Mr. Brown. Enough respect.
See you in a while.
Respect your boss.
Guys, there's a link somewhere here. Click on the link. Join us today. We're going to ship your items from overseas. Get them delivered to you here in Jamaica. If you're an American, Japanese, anywhere in the world and you want to send things back here in Jamaica, you can do it. You hear Mr. Brown say, they must send the things them one. You don't have to worry yourself about barrel and something. You can send the thing them one. Alright? See you guys later. Bye-bye.